Hi everyone, thank you for joining our Wagemaster tutorials. Today we are going to show you how to set up family and domestic violence leave for casual, part-time and full-time employee awards. Let's jump right in. So you can click on the Wagemaster icon on your desktop and it will connect you to the Wagemaster file manager. So I'm looking at the demonstration file of this is one of our training Wagemaster file. So I'm going to open the file. Alrighty, so you click on awards. So you'll have a multiple awards, or you only might gonna see couple awards if you do have a custom award setup. In this file, we have a Master template awards. So I will go through one by one each categories. So let's start with the casual one. So you double click on the award, or even you can click on the edit option in here. Do the same thing. Then you drop down to leave and the family and domestic violence leave. So this one is already set it up. So what I'm gonna do, I will go through actually delete the award and how to add a new one. So I'm selecting delete leave. So first I'm gonna delete this award. Sorry, the leave type. Okay. So if you already seen the family and domestic violence leave, you don't need to do any delete it. You can edit it. But let me walk you through how to create a new one if you're not gonna see it. So add a new leave type, go into next, the leave type, just type it domestic. Most of you gonna see the domestic violence leave in there. If not, if you're not gonna see anything, if you cannot see any drop down option for the family and domestic violence leave, you can even type in, so it will create a new leave type. So in my case, I got already created this one in. And as a best practice, you're not gonna show this on the employee payslip, so don't worry about checking these boxes. Click on next. Okay, that's complete. So it's only couple of clicks to create an new leave type. So now you click on the family and domestic. Okay, so this is the accrual settings. So I'm gonna go through three main tabs which is relevant with these leaves. So first we just need to set it up. As per the ATO recommendation, all your employees going to entitle 10 paid leaves if they are a victim of family and domestic violence leave. So, and how they calculate the 10 days, if the employees are full-time, they will work minimum 38 hours in a week. So that will comes to 7.5 hours work hours in a day. So always leave the calculation methods as a block. You double click on this one, or even you can click on the edit option. I'm going to double click here, so you will get these accrual settings. Calculation type, always leave it as block. Just put 76 hours in here, click OK. So that will equal to 10 days. Then the accrual conditions. With family and domestic violence leave, these leaves are not carries forward to the next year. What that's mean, every employee get entitled to 10 days, but if they are not going to use it in this year, it will not carry forward to next year. So we need to make sure we set it up that correctly. So to do that, I'm going to change the create additional accrual records. So each year on the anniversary of the employee's commencement, and very important, you tick this box, leave does not carry forward. Then you click on the payments. Always believe this option, payments can be edited at wages processing, just in case if you realize it's not adding the paying of the correct rate or something, it will give you option to manually correct that one when you're processing wages. Now, because we are working in the casual employee award, as per the ATO requirements, casual employees get entitled to paid extra 25% loading. So I'm gonna set it up this as well. So I change it to 25%. And that's it. So you click on close the icon, saved it. Now let's have a look on the part-time employee award. Again, going to leave. Now there's no leave set up in here, so I go and create a new one. Click on next, add a new leave type. Just type domestic again. Click on next. So it's created the family and domestic violence leave options. Block always 76. accrual condition, change it to each year, leave does not carry forward, and the payment option. Just payments can be edited at wages processing. Now, because they are part-time, I'm not going to put extra 25% loading. So they're not going to get paid anything extra. All right, let's have a look on the full-time award again. I will select one of these award full-time. Into leave, add leave, click on next, add new leave type, just type domestic. Update the 10 days by adding 76 hours as a block type. Then the accrual condition, change it to each year. Just make sure leave does not carry forward, and the payments can be edited and leave it at 0. Always make sure you use the close to icon to save the changes that you are made in. And even as for example, because if you do have you might have only cash custom awards like these ones. So in that case, it is same. You go into leave. If you're not having the family and domestic violence leave in here, you click on add new leave type. All these steps are same. So just type domestic. Because John is our full-time employee and he's not casual, so I'm gonna set it up as a same like the other full-time and part-time employees. So 76 hours here. And the accrual condition, change it to each year on the anniversary. The payments can be edited and leave it as a no extra loading. Alrighty, thank you for watching everyone. If you need more information, please have a look at our help center articles or book 101 consult and training session with our team. All the links related to this video are in the description box, and don't forget to subscribe and to our YouTube channel and give us a video like if you really enjoyed it. Have a great day and thank you for watching.